Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, today just got out of school. It's what is it, 1:48? Heading over to Walmart with my boy who's parked over there behind me in the Q50. We're gonna go get some detailing stuff, and we're gonna detail the inside of our cars, and we might do the outside. It's like freezing though. It's 38 degrees, so we probably won't do the outside. I'm gonna do my rims though, because those need to be cleaned for sure. So we're gonna skirt over to Walmart. Actually, let's go. This car's actually way too fun. She purrs like beautifully. It's like a fire, dude. We're just on our way over to Walmart and there's just insane like fire. What the heck? Look at that. I'm sure he's doing it on purpose. He's just burning crap. I see him right out there actually. Yeah, definitely on purpose. Coming, big boy.
Yo, what's up?
It's nice little Q50. It's cute.
It's cute.
It's a cute little one. This is my Beamer. It's a cute little one. All right, made it back to my house. We got a little kit.
What's up?
Finally gonna do our cars. Also,
Yeah.
People call us twins in our class.
Dude, honestly, we're like
we have the same haircut.
I
like we have
a polo
the.
shirt from Walmart.
Yeah, no, you literally bought the polo. Go put it on. Go put it on. Put on the polo. Because I wear polos all the time. Because they be fancy like. So probably could have zoomed out. Maybe not.
It's
Tire
okay. I'm
scrubbers.
short, so I fit in the shop.
I'm 6'4".
That's the
by
only
the
difference
way.
between us is I'm 5'10" and he's actually tall.
Yeah, I'm 6'4".
I'm just
So
average.
you might not believe that because internet and teenagers lie all the time. But I'm actually 6'4". This was $41 for everything, which was more expensive than I thought it would be because this is 23, and then this was like 3 and this was like 5,
I
and it
can't
pulled was
believe that.
41. I'm like, what the heck? Is this gonna
I can't
open?
believe how much they charge for those brushes.
I know, it's insane. It's so
there we
much.
go. There, got it.
Oh,
Inflation. Gotta love it.
I know, honestly. This is a teenager, man. Can't
Smart.
afford that.
Smart stuff.
I know. Maybe I'll make some money back on it. Ooh. Oh, it's got
Ooh,
bubble wrap in
bubble
there.
wrap.
Honestly, that's kind of nice. Low key. I like that. Look at that. The neighbors are gonna think that I'm. Yeah, pop someone, dude. Look at this. It comes with everything. We got wheel and tire shine.
Sweet.
We got some rags I'm not gonna put on the floor because I need them to stay clean. Some
They're
little
actually
washing
pretty nice
it.
too,
Yeah, they
yeah.
are. These are all like decently high quality. Ooh, we got, what is this? Wash and wax.
Wow, yeah,
That's
that's
nice. Go look at it. We got some glass wipes. We got the tire shine. There's not as much inside stuff as I thought there would be. There's cleaning wipes for the inside, which is good. Need that. And we got some
What's that?
protectant inside cleaning spray.
Oh, sick.
From UV damage, non-greasy formula, medium shine.
All y'all Dodge people need that on your dash.
Dog got him. And then we got air fresheners. You can have one.
Sick.
All right, look at that. Let's get started. Got my big old freaking fat knife. Just gonna open this stuff. I promise I won't hit you.
I'll just stand back here. It's all right.
There we go. Took more force than I thought. What do you think? Big or small? Or average or massive? Average or massive?
Dude, I'd have to go with, oh man, that's a hard choice. Average for sure.
Average? All right, we'll go with average for sure. Okay. What's that?
I feel like the massive one's almost too massive.
Yeah, no, it'll probably just get in the way because they got little crevices in there.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, you can't go massive. Gotta go average. If I can get this cut, there we go.
Yeah, no ER visits today.
Yeah, no, I don't want to go to the doctor.
I mean, hey, I'll gladly drive fast.
Yeah, you're like, I will gladly
Not for that
legally
reason.
drive fast.
Yeah, not for that
yeah.
reason.
Definitely not speeding on the way home. That's tire applicator, tire shine.
Sweet.
Should we? Oh, we should probably do this first. Wheel. All right. Which wheel should we start with? The dirtiest one, you think?
Yeah.
Oh, so I got a little story for you guys while I'm doing this. Oh, is this like a little nozzle on it? What is this? I think I gotta break that off actually.
Yeah, it might be one that you twist. to
Well, it is
turn
one I
on and off.
twist.
That's weird. Oh, what the?
Oh, I just twisted. I was twisting
Okay.
the wrong way. So about a year ago, January 16th, 2024, taking this baby out, and it was snowy. I went to a parking lot when I most definitely should not have, and I broke the suspension all on this side of the car. That's why there's all these scrapes,
I was gonna ask.
and it cost like $7,000 to fix. So that was a really bad day, and I wasn't allowed to drive this for like 8 months. Which I'm surprised I'm able to drive it now. Because, yeah.
Well, you live and you learn.
100%. Look at that. It's coming out decent.
Dude, that's actually doing really good.
Working really good. Like that.
Look at those
Come
wheels
get a
shine.
close-up of this, boy.
Bet.
Close-up of the shine. Look at that. Beautiful. Come up here. Oh, yeah.
Ooh, the
Scrub
heat
that
from
off.
your car feels nice.
Oh, yeah. No, the engine is warm.
By the way,
we were
it's
not
like-
speeding home. It's just warm because it's in a car engine.
Yeah, why would we speed home?
No, it's not like we're in a Q50 and a BMW. Like,
Yeah.
come on, man.
They're not fast.
No. So inline's 3-liter inline 6, and his is a what? 3.2,
3.7.
3.7 inline.
Yes,
Or,
sir.
Yeah, V6.
V6, yeah.
Yeah. I like this stuff. It works really well.
Yeah, I'm impressed. For a kit that honestly wasn't that much, like it's
Yeah. No, honestly,
it's doing
pretty
really
good.
good.
Oh, man, even the average size barely fits in these little tiny crevices, man. I'm glad we chose this one.
Yeah, for sure.
100%. Also, I don't know if I'm doing this right, but if I am, and you know me in person, call me and I'll come over and scrub it for you. $10. I'll do all your tires. Boom. That's a deal right there, by the way.
Straight facts.
100%.
Try to find someone else that'll do your clean your tires.
Yeah, for $5 or $10 or whatever I said. I don't know. I'll decide later. Also, I love how foamy this is, dude. It actually looks so
It's
good.
foaming up nicely.
Should probably go get water.
Yeah.
Probably would have been
Watch,
a good
you're
idea.
gonna wash it off and it's just gonna eat away your paint.
Yeah, man, like it just starts dissolving everything. I'm just like, oh, that
That's
was
kind of a nice Mustang.
That's my neighbor's cousin,
Nice.
and I actually work with that cousin's cousin.
That's cool.
It's just kind of nice. Look at that. Well,
Looking minty.
let's go get some water because I need
Yeah.
to wash this off actually.
Yeah, it's a little dirty.
Inside. Me how? That's the Pringles. Just gotta find it. But should we use this?
Oh, dude, that would actually work.
I think
It's a
we
little
got-
it's a little small though.
No, this is massive. No, this is from Hawaii, limited edition.
Snap.
Target. I'm kidding. I don't know.
Wait, Target in Hawaii?
I think so.
Yo,
I don't
that's
know.
sweet.
Something.
Bro, post that on eBay. You could get like $50 for that.
Honestly though, I probably could.
It's got that Hawaiian scent, if you know what I mean.
You got all my bikes in here for the winter?
Hey, yo.
I don't know if I have a bucket in here. Maybe I just use something else. Or the one that came with the freaking thing.
Yeah. Oh, there's a bucket.
Oh my gosh, what's in it though?
Good question.
Is it empty? It's empty!
Hey, let's go. I'm such a good cameraman. I find stuff. I record.
I might have to call you for every single one of my videos.
Dude. Oh no. The
No, it's
Pringles.
just on the grass. It's wintertime. There's no bugs.
Even if there was, that's just extra protein.
Exactly. People do that all the time.
See, this dude gets me.
This is why we're hanging out right now.
Yep, straight facts.
100%. No doubt. Let's see. It's mid-January. Oh my gosh, my dad didn't turn it off. That's silly of him. Where's it coming out though? Which one?
Oh, it's right here.
Oh, it's in here, not in the well. Or window well, I mean. I don't think it's up high enough. That might be the highest it goes because
It's cold. It needs to warm up a little bit.
you know the gunk out of here.
Oh yeah.
It's basically all the way clean.
Dude, that bucket's like the perfect size.
That's what I'm saying, dude. For everything. Everything I need.
Hey,
What if
yo.
I got you? What if I got you though?
I don't know. I mean, my pants are dirty from JTech, so I don't think it mattered too
That's
much.
true. Auto body.
It would be a little cold though.
100%. I can see my hair in the.
I know.
It's going everywhere.
Bro, that was majestic.
Thank you. If it was wet, you should see me at a pool party, guys. Coming up, gorgeous. Like a merman.
Bro, how do you not have a girlfriend?
That's a good question.
I know
One
why.
day.
I know why I don't. That's just because I'm me. But
Probably same for me, actually, Loki. It's alright.
oh,
Upside down, nerd. Don't come upside down.
my bad. Okay, so take back what I said. I'm not a good cameraman.
Yeah, they're awful. Absolutely disgusting. Also, I'll show you-
Never again.
It actually looks pretty good. Go look at the wheel while I pull this up with one tower.
Can we just take a minute and appreciate this? Looks sweet. Okay, so we're gonna have a little comparison. So we have not cleaned this wheel yet. Camera doesn't really do justice. You can see all the grime right there. And then we go over to this one. That looks pretty good. I mean, you can see.
Before and after.
Oh, dude, it's okay.
do it on the other one.
Yeah, we can do it on the other ones.
These
I mean,
ones are
you,
decently clean because I just cleaned it with stuff that I already owned.
you're gonna have to scrub it again. It all dried off.
Whoa, it all dry.
Yeah. I mean, you can see how much dirt it lifted off, though. Oh, focus. You can see how much dirt it lifted off, though. I mean, that's
Definitely got a
for
lot.
something that's 25 bucks. Oh gosh, it's not focusing. For something that's 25 bucks.
It works really well. Honestly, like all of this together, if you bought it without like the freaking bucket deal or whatever we had, it'd probably be like 55.
For sure. Yeah, if you bought everything separate.
Yeah, if you bought everything separate, it would be.
Oh, dude.
Look at that beauty. Who's barking at us, bro? My neighbor's freaking dog.
Being sped.
I don't know if I can put that in the video now, Braden.
We'll
Not good.
edit that out.
Yeah, bad. I'm gonna bleep it that way. Sounds like he said something absolutely awful.
No.
People are gonna be like, "What did he say about the dog?"
Nothing.
He definitely didn't call it any bad words or racial slurs.
Hey, don't tell him my secret.
We might have to do a fast
the time lapse.
speed
of
run,
it?
time lapse. Hey buddy, how was school? Detailing a little bit. Come here. What'd you think? It looks good.
What looks good?
Well, I mean, stop the time lapse to get this shot of you coming up. I did the other wheels if you want to go look. They look good. So yeah. Bye.
Night and day difference.
Oh, 100%. Should probably start cleaning this now. It's all drooping off. All right, finally got it done. Let's go. Look at that, they look good. Okay, we're gonna do the inside real quick, just a time lapse because my phone's out of storage. So yeah.